Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I want to talk to you about Flint and Steel today. There are lots of different things you can use for the steel, just as long as it's high carbon, it's been hardened to 6.5, and then you come along with a 7 hardness chert, quartz, or flint, and go ahead and scrape off particles of this iron, and then those microscopic particles reacts with the oxygen in the air to self-combust. You'll read other accounts online that says you also need the input of heat, the heat that is generated from actually scraping away those particles. I don't think that's true. Iron is pyrophoric and it reacts with oxygen, and that causes it to self-combust. If you have found your file at the flea market and you've just been waiting, you've been putting off about turning this into a steel, go ahead and use it. You don't want to strike it where these teeth are at, because it's just going to grab the edge, the sharp edge, and break it off. But you can go ahead and strike it right here where there's no teeth. There and there. And then this tang right here is too soft. It's not going to spark down here, but this is hardened. This is denim char cloth, and I want to get as many fibers sticking up as possible. So I'm going to break it up into about 10 pieces. I don't know about t-shirt material, but when it comes to denim material, it doesn't really, the sparks won't ignite on the face of it. Usually the sparks are catching these threads. So now there's lots of threads for it to catch. Let's give it a try. You notice how when you're doing a flint and steel, normally you do a big follow through like that? You have to sort of not do that when you're casting sparks down onto something like this. Let's try the charred punkwood now. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.